Hi, I'm Saremy, and I've just launched my first skill building session. This first one is a special fitting edition all about the set-in sleeve. The key to a great fitting garment is in the sleeves and armhole. Once you get your shoulders, armhole, and sleeves fitting, you can tackle the remaining aspects of your garment with a lot less frustration. The skill building session includes videos and a guide to help you diagnose and fix all fitting issues. You may think you know how to do a full bicep adjustment, but I'll be doing something I find to be a lot more accurate and simple. The instructions are concise, accurate, and simple to follow. The video has a sewn version of the issue and then a how to fix it tutorial. You can use any set-in sleeve pattern to get your perfect fit. And if you're struggling sewing a set-in sleeve into the armhole and getting all that ease to be nice and smooth, I've got you covered. There's a few bonuses in this big fitting special about making a sleeved armhole into a sleeveless armhole and the other way around. There's an additional bonus where you see multiple garments made from different home sewing patterns and I identify the fit issue on each one. This is a new venture of videos and instruction made to be in bite-sized chunks with a huge impact on your sewing. You can find it on my website, or you can find it in the Sew Guild, a community for curious sewists of any ability.